In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude tax from product prices fast and easy. Whether you're setting up a new e-commerce store or adjusting your existing settings, understanding how to handle tax in your prices is crucial. Let's dive right in and streamline your online store with these simple steps. First, we need to start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the back-end magic happens. Make sure you're logged into your WordPress account to gain access to your website's administrative functions. Once you're on the dashboard, it's time to move on to the next step in this process. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with several options. We're looking for WooCommerce. Click on it. WooCommerce is the heart of your e-commerce setup. It's where you can manage everything related to your store, from product listings to customer orders and, of course, tax settings. Next, within the WooCommerce menu, find and click on Settings. This is the central hub for all configurations in WooCommerce. You'll be presented with a series of tabs, each representing different aspects of your online store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options if you're new to WooCommerce. In the Settings menu, find and select the Tax tab. The Tax tab is where you'll configure everything related to sales taxes, ensuring your store complies with relevant regulations while displaying prices correctly to your customers. This step is essential for controlling how your prices are presented regarding tax. Underneath the Tax tab, you'll see various options. Focus on the section labeled Prices Entered with Tax. Here, you need to indicate whether the prices you input in WooCommerce already include tax. For our objective today, you'll want to select No, I will enter prices exclusive of tax. This tells WooCommerce not to factor in any tax with the base price you provide, allowing you to display prices without tax to customers. Now we're going to adjust how these prices are shown in your store. Look for the setting Display Prices in the Shop. This option allows you to determine how prices appear across your website's store pages. For our purpose of excluding tax from displayed prices, select the option to show prices excluding tax on both shop pages and during the checkout process. With those settings configured, it's crucial to save all the changes you've made. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit Save Changes. This ensures everything is updated, and your store will now show product prices excluding tax. And there you have it. Configuring WooCommerce to display product prices without including tax is as easy as following these straightforward steps. This setup not only streamlines your pricing, but also provides total transparency for customers shopping on your site. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling.